All right, so we all know wearables, right? Smartwatches, fitness trackers, all that.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Those are everywhere these days.
But get this, they're making a huge impact in a place you might not expect HVAC.
That's right. It's a whole new frontier, and today we're going deep on how this tech is totally changing the game for HVAC maintenance.
I mean, faster, safer, and way more efficient, right?
You got it. And we've got some really cool insights from a recent article on this very topic.
Yeah, so the mission today is to really break down how these gadgets are making HVAC work, smarter, not harder.
Exactly. And honestly, it's kind of mind-blowing what they can do now.
Okay, so first up, smart glasses. This is straight out of sci-fi.
I know, right? Like something out of a movie.
You can literally see system specs and manuals right in your field of vision, mind blown.
Seriously, no more lugging around those giant
Or
manuals.
running back and forth to the van for info.
It's all right there in front of you.
So can you break down exactly what system specs are for those who might not know?
Sure thing. So basically, they're like the DNA of an HVAC unit, everything you need to know about it.
Okay.
The model number, wiring diagrams, refrigerant type, operating parameters, you name it.
Wow, it's like having a cheat sheet for the whole system right there.
Pretty much, yeah. And that means technicians can diagnose problems and make adjustments on the fly.
The article actually gives this super cool example of a technician on a rooftop seeing live performance metrics of a commercial unit.
Oh, yeah, that's incredible. Imagine seeing real-time data like temperature differentials and refrigerant pressures all while you're working on the unit.
It's got to be a game changer for troubleshooting, right?
Absolutely. You can zero in on problems so much faster and make adjustments with pinpoint accuracy.
I bet it cuts down on those head-scratching moments, too.
Oh, for sure. And,
Yeah.
some smart glasses even have built-in cameras.
Really? What for?
Well, technicians can document their work or even get remote help from experts if they need it.
That's amazing. It's like having a virtual assistant right there with you.
Pretty much. It's incredible how this tech is connecting everyone in the field.
And speaking of the field, let's talk about safety for a second. HVAC techs work in some pretty crazy environments, right?
Yeah, no kidding. Attics, rooftops, crawl spaces, you name it.
Not exactly a walk in the park.
Definitely not. And that's where wearables are becoming real lifesavers.
How so?
Well, think about heat monitoring armbands. They can actually alert technicians and their employers if things are getting too hot.
Wow, so they're like an early warning system.
Exactly. And some even connect to heart rate trackers to monitor stress levels and prevent overexertion.
That's amazing. It's like having a guardian angel looking out for you.
It really is. And it's not just about protecting the technicians, it's about preventing accidents and creating a safer workplace overall.
Makes sense. Safety should always be the top priority.
Couldn't agree more. And speaking of safety, hands-free communication is huge in these environments.
Oh yeah, try holding a phone while you're crammed in an attic.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's a recipe for disaster, but luckily we have wearable headsets now.
Those are becoming pretty popular, right?
Oh, yeah. They have built-in mics and earpieces, so technicians can stay connected even in noisy or dangerous locations.
So they can easily talk to each other, get guidance from senior techs, or even receive updates from dispatch.
All without using their hands, which is crucial when you're working with tools or in tight spaces.
Plus, I bet it's super helpful for training new technicians, right?
Oh, absolutely. It's like having a virtual mentor right there with you, guiding you through every step.
It's got to be so valuable, especially as HVAC systems get more and more complex.
You hit the nail on the head. There's a lot to learn in this field, and wearables are making it so much easier to pass on knowledge.
It's really cool to see how this technology is shaping the future of the industry.
It really is, and I think we're just scratching the surface.
What do you mean?
Well, imagine wearables with augmented reality overlays that can guide technicians through repairs.
Whoa, that sounds like something out of a video game.
I know, right? Or wearables that use sensors to detect refrigerant leaks in real time. That would be a game changer for safety and efficiency.
It's like this tech is only limited by our imagination.
Pretty much, and who knows what other incredible applications we'll see in the years to come.
It really makes you think about all the other skilled trades that could benefit from this kind of technology, too.
Oh, absolutely. Plumbing, electrical work construction, the possibilities are endless.
Well, listeners, we hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of wearables and HVAC.
It's an exciting time for the industry, and we can't wait to see what the future holds.
So keep an eye out for these advancements, folks, because wearables might just change the game in your own field, too.
And who knows, maybe one day we'll all be wearing smart glasses and connected headsets at work.
The future is now, folks, and it's looking pretty high-tech.
You got that right.
Thanks for joining us for another deep dive. We'll catch you next time for another fascinating look at the world of tech.
See ya then!